According to NASA, a highly volatile Devil Comet will make its long-awaited comeback during the April 8th eclipse, marking its first appearance in 71 years. Greetings, everyone. Today our video will focus on an extraordinary celestial phenomenon, the appearance of a unique green comet known as Comet 12P/Pons-Brooks, or commonly referred to as the Devil Comet. What makes this comet even more remarkable is that it can be observed with the naked eye without the need for telescopes. This colossal comet, surpassing the size of Mount Everest, only graces our part of the solar system once every 71 years. Remarkably, it will be visible from March through the third week of April in the northern hemisphere, and then continue its journey in the southern hemisphere until the year's end. The nickname Devil Comet was bestowed upon it due to a rare occurrence in 2023 when it experienced an outburst, resulting in its coma contorting into a distinctive horseshoe or horned shape. Without any further delay, let us delve into our discussion. This spring, in addition to a significant solar eclipse, skywatchers will have even more reason to feel exhilarated. According to experts, a colossal green comet, larger than Mount Everest, is currently orbiting the Sun and has the potential to be visible without the aid of telescopes. According to a report from Business Insider, amateur astronomers have detected the presence of the vibrant comet, officially labelled as Comet 12P/Pons-Brooks, but affectionately referred to as the Devil Comet. Over the course of the next month, as it draws nearer to the Sun, it is anticipated that the comet will become more and more discernible to the unaided eye. According to experts, the emerald-hued comet traverses our region of the cosmos on a solitary occasion every 71 years, rendering it an exceedingly uncommon spectacle for inhabitants of our planet. Furthermore, they suggest the potential for the comet to become visible during the solar eclipse on April 8th, when the daytime sky will be cloaked in darkness as the moon glides across the face of the Sun. According to Business Insider, individuals residing in New Jersey and other regions of the Northern Hemisphere can anticipate spotting the green comet during the entirety of March and up until the third week of April. Following this period, the comet will gradually descend below the horizon, granting visibility to those situated in the Southern Hemisphere for the remainder of the year. In order to maximize the chances of catching a glimpse of the comet, experts recommend seeking out secluded areas devoid of bright city lights or street lights. Additionally, it is advised to avoid nights when the moon emits substantial illumination. According to Earth.com, if you want to see Comet 12P/Pons-Brooks, you should look toward the western sky after dark. Start by finding the Great Square of Pegasus, which is a constellation with 4 stars that are nearly equally bright. As the weeks go by, the comet will move from this constellation towards Aries the Ram, which can be recognized by its V-shaped formation. While experts assure that the comet should be visible to the naked eye, they recommend using binoculars to increase the likelihood of spotting it. Just this week, a Facebook group focused on NASA's James Webb Space Telescope announced that individuals using 10x50 binoculars have observed the comet's coma surrounding its nucleus and a barely discernible tail. To locate the comet, the group suggests utilizing stargazing applications on mobile devices and advises skywatchers to direct their gaze towards the constellation Andromeda in the evening sky. For reference, Mount Everest stands at an impressive height of 29,035 feet, equivalent to approximately 5.5 miles. Comet 12P/Pons-Brooks, on the other hand, is estimated to extend as far as 10.5 miles, although experts acknowledge the challenge of obtaining an exact measurement. Regarding the moniker Devil Comet, according to Astronomy.com experts, it is associated with a unique occurrence in July 2023. During this event, the comet experienced an outburst, resulting in the expulsion of a significant amount of gas and dust, causing its brightness to increase approximately 100-fold. In just one night, its magnitude skyrocketed from 17 to 12. According to Astronomy.com, the intense eruption resulted in the comet taking on a peculiar form, resembling either a horseshoe or a horned shape, with a prominent dark core and radiant wings or points. As a result, it was commonly referred to as the Devil Comet by various media sources. Additionally, some individuals likened it to the Millennium Falcon spacecraft from the renowned Star Wars franchise. The front section, or nucleus of a comet, is surrounded by an area known as the coma. After a significant outburst during the previous summer, the comet returned to a state of calmness, maintaining its brightness until a recent outburst in February 2024, which resulted in the reappearance of its tails, as reported by the publication. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.